This is Barbara with Soothing Soundscapes. This is a really, really unique program for rescue dogs because it actually heals the trauma of their adoption, what happened before their adoption, before they came to you. So whether you've come to this site because you've had trouble training your dog, or you realize they still have stress, or they haven't adapted in the way you wish they had to your home, this program dissolves that stress. It's actually a quantum unified field program, which means that the inventor David Adelson has put in it some of the most amazing technology that very humans have on this planet, and he's put it in place so that you and your dog can share even greater love than you have now. And one of the reasons I personally chose to work with this project with David is because I really believe that rescue dogs in particular love their owners like there's no tomorrow. And I believe that the humans who open their hearts up to their dogs, it opens up the hearts for all of humanity. The more love that can be expressed on this planet, the better it is. So whether it's you loving your dog and your dog being able to love you more and being able to show you more how much they love you, that's why I believe in this program. And that's why it is so significant that helping to heal the trauma in these rescue dogs will help them to be able to show you how much they love you. It will help them to be able to be trained much more easily, and it'll help resolve their anxiety and their trauma the minute you leave the room, or someone with a hat walks through the door, or whatever's setting your dog off. This will absolutely help it, and within 24 to 48 hours you should start seeing effects. And understand now, this program, you can't even hear it. It's silent. Your rescue dog is the only one who can hear the sound. And what you would do is you're going to set it up to play 24/7. And those problems that you've been having to get your rescue dog adapted to your environment are going to just start to disappear, and it'll make you and your relationship with your dog even happier. So if you look out to that bigger picture of why this is so important for you and your dog, and helping to integrate your rescue dog in your family, because we know you already love your dog and we know your dog already loves you, this just helps them to be able to express it better and to stop some of that behavior that maybe has been inexplicable in the past, by resolving that deep-seated trauma that happened before you adopted your rescue dog. So what I'd like you to do now is to take some action and to click on the button to buy. Preferably go with a hard device, because we have CD players and a high definition little micro SD super sound system, because it's not as obvious as it sounds like to just download it and play it 24/7 near your dog. It's really better that they get their own device. But whatever you choose, whether you want to download it right now or whether you want to get the DVD and the CD player, the choice is yours. I encourage you to take action right now.